Chunky, I could have swore I got gear lube in that boat. If you don't see it, it ain't in there. I'm thinking I didn't think about changing gear lube.
Why are you so wet?
You thought it was funny? Hey, we are pulling into Venice now. It's been a long trip today. And right now, the biggest thing we got to do is get to the lodge so Robbie can poop. Because Robbie's got to poop bad. How's it going, Robbie? Get out.
There's a reason why the windows are open.
Yes.
That's Jerry's mustache that smells like that.
Yeah, it's called leakage.
That's a good thing.
Oh, here you go, folks. Look at here.
That's our home away from home.
Yes, sir. Look at here. Sportsman Lodge. That's where we're headed to right now. Venice, Louisiana, baby.
Slime all over my hands.
Here we are.
Oh, there's Finn.
Look, where? Here's Finn. Finn, run down the road.
All right, this is our favorite dog in all of Venice, right here.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Finn, what are you doing?
Finn, what are you doing, man?
No,
Finn, you lost?
Man, buddy.
What are you doing,
What's
man?
up, man?
What are you doing? Come on, let's go. Come on, Finn. Come on.
But there's been a real question on high-speed boats, whether you stay with a 4-blade prop or whether you go to a 3-blade prop. So we're getting ready to find out. We think we put these 26 Bravos on here, we're gonna get a little better fuel economy, and we might get a little more top speed. Top speed ain't what it's all about, but the fuel economy is. So we think we get a little better fuel economy.
While Jerry's in the back playing with his props that he loves so much to do 80, Chris and I are gonna do the real work, right, Chris?
That's it. Load the boat.
Load the boat with all the gear, the tackle, the ice, everything else that needs to get done here. While Jerry gets to do the pretty stuff, Chris and I do the grunt work. He says we never do the grunt work, but apparently we do the grunt work. I think that's it, man. Give me a little jump pack, just in case.
Chucky,
This little guy?
I'm sorry, Jerry, you need the
I
right.
really need a gear lube.
Jerry, I don't move your lube.
Wait a minute. Did you not say that to me?
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
I do not
Yes,
move.
you
I do
did.
not move your lube.
Yes, you did.
I leave your lube where you have your lube.
Eve, it's the best thing.
Here, come here. Take this back. Come on, take this back.
What bag?
The loop bag.
I don't know what he's gonna give me.
Just take the bean bag. Thanks. Oh, sorry, bro.
You know, that was funny and it wasn't funny. You know what I mean?
Oh no, no, that was funny. That was like fantastically funny. No, I'll take the bag up. I got the
So
water
let me
out of it
explain
now.
something to y'all right now, okay? Would you do that to your old good friend? Would you do that to your brother?
Ooh,
Would you do that to your comrade in arms? Would you do that? No, you probably
you're my
would not.
granddad.
And that's why you wouldn't be funny.
Okay? And I still don't have no lube.
Hey, Jerry, you want the gear lube?
Yeah. Thanks for dumping weak old on me.
No, it's not that
The
old.
mosquito beds.
It's not.
Mosquitoes in it. Got mosquito eggs in it and everything. I'm gonna have mosquito grow out of my butt.
Oh,
Just give me the lube.
I'm working on it. You got so much stuff on the floor.
Why are you so wet?
You thought it was funny? I'm thinking I didn't think about changing gear lube. You gotta go. You gotta rub this stuff. How do you know that?
To the store they go to get some gear oil. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna finish packing the coolers, getting everything ready for tomorrow. Make sure this boat is tip top, ready to catch some tuna.
Apparently Jerry thought he brought gear lube, which he didn't.
Okay.
He brought regular oil, so now we're in the race of all races.
Okay.
The Cannonball 500 to go try and get gear lube before they close.
Okay, okay, look. If y'all ever got in the car or got somewhere and you say you forgot something, like you went in the toilet and you forgot toilet paper, it's the same thing. All you can do is blame yourself. That's all you can do.
I don't even know what to say. Jerry forgot the toilet paper.
Yeah, exactly.
A little forgetful.
No,
A little senile.
No, that has nothing to do with it. Every time we go somewhere, you pressure me. You pressure me to get this, get this, get this, get this. You pressure me, and sometimes the pressure gets to me. Sometimes the pressure is enough, it just overwhelms you. You forget the small details. Now, I do not like
gear oil.
Like the fact.
Gear oil is not a small detail.
No, it was not going to change the props. Okay, I brought the new props down, went through all this stuff, getting props, and I said to myself, falsely, that I had gear lube on the boat. That was the incorrect assumption.
Oh no, that was definitely an incorrect assumption.
I was wrong.
But before you drained it, why didn't you ask me? Because I went through the whole boat last week and I know there was no gear oil in there.
No, why would I ask you if I knew it was on there? I wouldn't ask you because that would be stupid.
See where we're going with this?
That would be stupid.
Do you see where we're going with this?
You're assuming I was stupid because I thought it wasn't on there. Man,
Wait, so you weren't stupid?
I was 100% confident. There's a big difference.
So he wasn't stupid.
No,
he was 100% confident. Totally different.
Y'all never made a bet? You ever made a bet and you was 100% confident and you lost the bet? Okay, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, but we're in Venice, Louisiana. There isn't just a West Marine around the corner. We are actually going to a hardware store that also has marine parts. That's going to be interesting.
That is another issue.
She said she was doing me a favor, waiting for you, so do me a favor and hurry up.
I am.
Not on Jerry Harris time.
No, I am. I got it.
Hey, make sure you get enough. Are you sure that's enough?
I met some real nice people here.
Yeah, I bet you did. He said he met some real nice people here. He meets real nice people everywhere he goes.
I met this gentleman in there, his name Mr. Earl, right? And I was in there getting his old, and I was listening to him. Mr. Earl said, look, I need to go to some of these schools around here. And I need to get in the classroom and teach some stuff because these kids don't know nothing about what's on the other side of the levee. And he said, I want to go back to the schools before I die and teach these kids how to do something. And I think that's just what America's all about.
And that's my daily American history lesson from Uncle Jerry.
Well, it's important. It's important that you know where you come from, because if you don't know where you come from, you sure don't know where you're going. And if you don't know what's in reverse, there ain't no need putting it in forward. That's how it works. That's how it works.
Good luck, kids. Good luck.
Here we go, buddy. This might be as fast as she runs all week.
We're gonna drop the boat in right now.
Got a little port and starboard crosswind at the dock. Robbie's gonna put us right on in there. I'm gonna fire the motors up, make sure the water pumps are working.
Make sure these props are spinning.
Make sure the props are spinning. So we go head around to the sports bar.
Sounds good, buddy.
We gonna tie up and we're gonna have supper. And then
sounds good. We'll see you guys in a bit.
see you.
All right. Splish splash. She was taking a bath, Jer.
Taking a bath.
Power. There she goes.
Let her run for a minute.
We pumping. We pumping. We pumping.
Just let them warm up for a second here. Huh? What they throw off? Tuna? What do you got over
Tunas
there?
over there. A couple
We got
small
some nice
tunas.
tunas.
A couple
Yeah.
20, 30 pounders.
Yeah, we got some nice tuna. That's a nice blackfin right there. That's another nice blackfin. We had a good day right there. Good job, Captain.
Here we go. We're dunked.
We in the water.
And we going in reverse.
We're in the H2O.
We did something right.
We did something right. We are going in reverse.
Venice Marine, 2021.
2021.
Here we go.
Me and my brother.
Big fat tuna trip.
Grouper, tuna, whatever.
Whatever.
Yeah. Hell yeah. We'll see what it does. We gonna fish.
Midship.
Get their orange ball right inside the little bit right there. Right there. Good work. Looks like. Good job, guys. Excellent work.
Great job, Captain. Excellent work. We here. See you guys in a bit.